Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
That sign does look kind of cool. Almeida Ribeiro Street. And then you can see Grand Lisboa in the background. You can also see okay, so I'm going to film at nighttime. This is Travessa do Aterro Novo, and we have this little plaza right here which I'm going to definitely capture, and we also have this Central Hotel, a green building that down that way that we're also going to try to capture, and I'm also going to kind of give you a feeling for this little area. So stay tuned, and we're going to go at the start of this street, and then we're going to capture this little that little thing over there, and we're going to go all the way down to the end to this hotel. So stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're on the other end of the street. This is called Rua de Felicidade. So you can see all the lights on, and this is going to be our target street right there, going towards that green lit up Central Hotel. And this space right here is already a tourist area street with a long history. And this whole region is going to be, it already is turned into a tourist area where there's chairs available and places to sit to encourage more tourism and kind of more nightlife as well. So yeah, this is called Rua de Felicidade, and you got some long-standing businesses here, Julius, and then you have some other ones that go all the way up as well. But we're going to be going down this this particular street right here, which is kind of a tourist street. And the reason that this is a tourist street is because they also put the chairs in the middle here. So you have chairs on both sides, up this way, down our target street right here, which is Travessa do Aterro Novo, and all the way down this way as well. So we're going to walk down it, and just to kind of give you a little bit of an idea, it says Win Casino right there, Rua de Felicidade Fashion Week. So I don't know when Fashion Week is, but they're doing a series of promotions through Win. So Win, I heard, is pumping up to, I think I heard it was like $1 billion over a 10-year period to promote and make this area into a more tourist-friendly area. And then right here, there's some maps too. We're going to be going down this one, going to go to this. So we're right in this space right here. And that just kind of for tourists to kind of see where they are. You got this little big Hello Kitty up on the balcony there. And then we also have some side streets, which I think they'll be more developed in the future. This was kind of not neglected, but a little bit neglected, but just being more focused on is how I should say it. And you got all these little alleys like this, places to eat like this. Now we're coming up into the, it's kind of cool right here, this big sign, Peking Dumpling. Thought I'd bring in like the sign like that. Then you got these tables. They had chairs out here, but it's been raining off and on, so I think those are not. Let's hit our Novo. Side streets. We're gonna go up That sign does look kind of cool. Gotta catch that sign just right. Okay, so I'm gonna come this way. Okay, so this is the Wynn Casino. They're having Fashion Week, so they have a display which I didn't see before, but it's up to it now. And then this street also shares a space with this kind of mercadores, like the street of the merchants. Okay. So we're going to continue up our street. So kind of cool. All right. And then we're going to go all the way up to here and show off this hotel right here. There's also these little patios like this one. And there's some restaurants down that way as well. And some kind of cool architecture as well, as you can see. So we're gonna go over this way. I'm also kind of experimenting to see how the videos look at nighttime. There's always people here at nighttime. So you just see. Okay. So let's go back a little bit, then you can kind of see the beauty of these streets, including these big giant windows right here too. And then you got this massive umbrella right here as well. I think that umbrella goes to that food stand right there. Okay, so let's just kind of come around like this. And we're going to capture the green Central Hotel right there. Looks like we got a good view of it over on this side. That lights up the sky, the nighttime sky. And now we're over on this San Malo, Almeida Ribeiro Street. And then you can see Grand Lisboa in the background. You can also see Santo Square is over there too. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go up the street just slightly. Then I'm going to go down the other street slightly. Get a view all the way down. So at nighttime, Macau is quite lit up. And we're gonna follow back down this way. Then you can see that the same kind of sheltered overhang goes all the way down. It goes all the way down to the port, historic port. Okay. On that note, we're going to end our video. So a little slice of Macau for you. And end it right there. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Yeah.